Welcome to another video. My name is Sander and in today's episode we are at McRae Provincial Park. Stick around till the end as I'll show you what there is to do on the campground and why this is a perfect spot not too far from the city to spend either a weekend or a day trip. McRae Provincial Park is located just outside of Aurelia and about 2 hours north of Toronto. McRae offers two campgrounds. There's the South Campground, which is all electric, and the North Campground, which offers a mixture of electric and non-electric campsites. McRae is a smaller park and therefore if you want to bring your bikes you can certainly do so, but because it's such a smaller park you can easily walk everywhere. When it comes to cell service here at McCrae, I got LTE Plus with Kudo, so you also get pretty good service with Bell and Telus as well. So if you want to work from the campsite here, McCrae may actually be an option. Now you are on Lake Simcoe here, so as a result it is a very large lake, it is clear, but we didn't bring the kayaks because we know it's pretty choppy anyway. If you want to bring the kayaks, canoe or stand-up paddleboard, you can certainly do so. There's many spots to launch it. Be prepared for some choppy waves here. This is the dump station. There's a single dump over there and a single potable fill. So of course not ideal. It is a fairly large park, or at least lots of electrical sites. So be prepared to wait a little bit because you cannot go by each other while dumping or getting water, so expect lineups. Right here behind me is the boat launch at McCrae. It's a nice little boat launch. There's lots of parking for your truck and trailer, so that's actually very nice. Keep in mind it's not meant to moor up your boat. You can only do 15 minutes max. But overall it launches you right on Simcoe, which is a massive and very nice lake to explore by boat. There's a nice play area for the kids with slides and lots of climbing opportunities. The beach here at McRae Point is pretty big. So it's a nice sandy beach here. You can walk out pretty far. Behind me is the buoy line and I'm still just past my waist, so you can definitely swim pretty far out here. So this is the park. You enter here. Here's the registration office. We are in the South Campground, 162. We are here just before 2 and there was still somebody on our side, so obviously we're not going to sit there and try and push them out, so we just drove around. There's an additional trailer fill here, which is great because we needed water, and over here where the trailer sanitation station is, it was busy.
Yesterday.
This is why you always need to bring tools camping. This was the old jack, and as you can see the gears are completely gone, stripped. So I had to run to town. So make sure you always have a jack because I just put the new one on.
End of flashback.
The bakery itself is only a short 10-minute drive or less from McRae Point. So if you want some fresh bread, some fresh buns, definitely recommend it. So we got some buns, some cookies, some bread. So last time we were here was excellent, so I guess we're gonna find out how it is today.
Tomorrow for sure.
Water's Edge Trail. It takes you along the lake. It is pretty flat. As you can see, I have the wagon with me, which is doable. It's a bit bumpy, but overall a nice trail, and you get lookouts like this everywhere. So when you do the water's edge trail, just stay by the water. We went in the forest a little bit and it's just mud and bugs, so stay by the water. Let's talk about McRae Provincial Park. First of all, the location. If you are from the GTA, even from Toronto, it's only an hour and a half drive and it brings you right here onto beautiful Lake Simcoe. From a facilities perspective, there is a nice playground, there are some volleyball nets, there are multiple water fill stations, which actually surprised me because normally a park only has one, and there's one in each campground as well as the trailer dump station, so that's pretty cool. There's a large beach, there's only one trail, and when it comes to the campgrounds, there are two. The south end is a little bit more private, massive size. That's where we are, and we actually prefer it much better over the north end. The north end is more of an open field concept, very similar to Balsam, for example. So we enjoy the south much better. The other nice thing about the park is the vicinity to Aurelia. It's very close. I had to actually go to town because my jack broke, so I had to go to Canadian Tire, went to the bakery, but because it's so close to Aurelia, all the stores are nearby, so you never have to go far. If you got some value out of this video, definitely hit that like button. It really helps to push this video out to a larger audience, and subscribe. It's free, so you might as well, and that way you get notified of our upcoming camping adventures, and there's still so many. We're doing some trailer upgrades as well, so overall lots and lots more videos to come, so please subscribe. On top of all of that, if you're looking for additional parks to visit, why don't you check out this video right here where we summarize the top 10 best provincial parks that we visited in 2022.